Here we are going to look at the success factors in digital transformation. Here I've categorized the success factor into three categories or three groups of success factor based on the three pillar of digital transformation framework. There is people, process, and technology. And this three pillar of digital transformation framework is allocated by various consulting firms from Deloitte, McKinsey, and BCG. Here, as for the people group factor, it will cover the leadership, employee skills, organization culture, and change management. Under the process success factor group, it includes business process redesign. All right, redesigning the pain points, business process. Okay, process agility, data-driven operations. And then under the technology success factor group, it covers the using the right IT infrastructure, the right IT or digital tools, digital platform, using the right data, okay, and making sure the availability of accurate data, good data governance, and also the security of the technologies being adopted in the digital transformation project. So, in short, for people, what we were looking at is that we have, in order to ensure the success in our digital transformation project, we must have, all right, buy-ins. Okay, you must have as many buy-ins as possible. All right. And how can we secure buy-ins for our digital transformation project? Actually, we can try by doing implementing the right change management processes. One of the change management process that I recommend in this lecture will be the COTOS 8 steps of change management. Okay, and in this change management process, the first step will involve motivating people, okay, to act upon this idea of digital transformation in his or her organization. How can we motivate it? It could be based on intrinsic motivation or extrinsic motivation. It can be anything, and that I'm not going to talk in detail here. All right, just motivate people. Okay, make people see the urgency in implementing the digital transformation project. After that, we try to example, all right, and then try to get people to join in, okay, in the initial project transformation alliance group, okay, get people to form the alliance group for your transformation project. And then quickly established, okay, a clear strategic vision for the change. All right, why you want to do the change? Okay, try to identify the business opportunity. Okay, identify what will be the maybe the new business process that you want to design. Okay, the new or innovative product or service that you intend to design and deliver for the future, for the consumer in the future. And then you, in the fourth step involved in this COTO change management, will be ensure that everyone is informed of the plan, all right, and they understand their role. and then try to address any obstacles, okay, or any bottlenecks, okay, that may impediment your project progress, okay, that may become, okay, an obstacle, okay, just removed all the obstacles, okay, that may cause friction or that may cause delay or failure in your transformation project. Okay, that is what you're going to do in the step 5. And then step 6 is that you need to break, okay, your big plan into achievable steps, okay, into feasible sub project or project. All right. That will be in your step 6. And then step 7, you keep the process moving forward and celebrate your success. All right, that serves as an example of success. Okay, so that, okay, other section or other people will be more motivated, be more confident, okay, in your subsequent digital transformation initiatives. And then make sure that the change are maintained, okay, after the completion. All right. So go back to our people category. All right. It's about getting as many buys in as possible. Okay. You need to have commitment from the employee and from the leadership, from top management. And the leader, okay, should adopt some kind of a situational leadership style, whereby its leadership style can change or can be adapted, maybe from directive to supportive to delegation, okay, or to servant leadership styles, okay, based on different needs and different status in the project transformation project. All right. And then still under the people success factor group will be the organization should be open-minded and it should be people-oriented kind of organization culture, so that people feel that they are part of the organization instead of being an isolated individual. Okay, in order to get support, in order to get buy-in, all right, in order to get motivations, okay, uh, to be part of the organization, to move the transformation project forward, all right, and to be successful. And then under the process success factor group, okay, it emphasizes on creating a clear strategic plan and vision for your project, for your digital transformation project, right? This plan will serve as a blueprint, okay, a roadmap, how you can achieve, okay, your strategic initiative, strategic goal, right? At the same time, you also need to have a well-planned data strategy and AI strategy. Okay, you need to have a proper data governance, okay, data, clear data ownership, all right, and then yeah, make sure the data that you require in your for your AI system, okay, or for your integrated information system are readily available, okay, and has been cleansed, all right, transformed to the format that is suitable for your organization for reuse. All right, and also under this process success factor group, it also cover make sure that we have done the right process optimization and process automation, so that we can improve our business process efficiency, and we solve, okay, the existing business process pain point accordingly. All right, and in the last or the third success factor group will be the technology. Here will include identifying the most suitable, okay, the most relevant, digital technology to be implemented, and this may include cloud migration, migrating your on-premise IT infrastructure to the cloud. Or maybe you can have a kind of hybrid cloud, all right? And make sure that the technology that is being implemented in the transformation, it has a robust cybersecurity mechanism, all right? And have the right data governance mechanism in place to ensure that there will be lesser unexpected events, okay, in the future.